I'm Brigadier Sushil Bhasin, a professional speaker, master trainer, transformational coach, and an author. Let me share with you 2 facts of life. Fact number 1, that we have come to this planet for a fixed number of years. And we don't know how many they are, but they are fixed. Fact number 2, that each one of us looks forward to happiness. There is a limited time we have and lots to do. And that can only be done if we learn the art of economizing on time. We didn't come to this planet only to work, so we must find a way of utilizing our time in a balanced way for work, for pleasure, for family, and all aspects of life that make me happy, because that's my second fact. Now, how do we do this? My suggestion is start with making some goals. And to make some goals, start with the first step of calculating your hourly worth. You must know the worth of 1 hour of yours. To do that, divide your annual income by the number of hours you work in a year. That figure, for example, it is 1,000 rupees. Now this 1,000 rupees is your hourly worth, and in your goals you could say, I would like to increase my hourly worth. And how do you do that? 2 ways of doing it. One, by increasing your income, and the second is by decreasing the number of hours you work in a day. And ideally, you should try both simultaneously. Now, when you do this, you get to compare your time with currency. Why we do it with currency? Time has nothing to do with currency. It has a value far beyond currency. But the reason is that currency comes to us easily when we talk about value. So now you become consciously aware that when you spend 1 hour with somebody, you know that that is the time you have spent, or that is a value that you have gained or lost. Now, when I'm talking of spending time, I say don't spend time. Start investing time. Words have energy, and your subconscious mind acts on the words you use. So when you say spend is known to be an expense. It is something that a resource is being exhausted. It is going away, it's frittering away. You don't expect anything out of it. But when you say, I want to invest half an hour in this, you are automatically going to look for a reward, for a return. Now, we are all aware of ROI, return on investment, which is a financial gain on a financial investment. But ROTI, is return on time invested, and this is in terms of subjective things. It is measured as a reward, which could be happiness, could be satisfaction, could be achievement, any of those things that give us our second fact of life, happiness. So to be happy, I want to do something which gives me a reward. And if you use investment of time correctly, you will be able to enjoy your life. To know more about this, please read my book, $1 Million Second, which is now available on Amazon, and you will find the link below in the chat box. Thank you very much for listening, and tune in for more information on time investment strategies.